Although Kim Kardashian is fine with her ex living across the street for the sake of their 4 kids, her famous family is not. Kim Kardashian, 41, and Kanye West's unconventional divorce took a turn for the awkward this past week when the rapper formerly known as Yeezy dropped $4.5 million down on a tear-down house across the street from Kim, 2 weeks after she filed to become legally single from him. Although Kim, who shares 4 children with Kanye, 44, understands that he bought the property to be close to the kids, a source close to the Kardashians told Hollywood Life exclusively that her famous family finds it a little bit weird, especially considering he reportedly paid $420,000 over the asking price to seal the deal. While Kim is okay with Kanye's decision to buy a house across the street, her family is not really feeling this at all. They think that it is just a little bit weird, in fact, and said to Kim that no one buys a house across the street from their ex-wife while they are divorcing, our source said. Kourtney and Khloe's exes see their kids and they don't live across the street. Everyone around her just feels that Kim needs to set boundaries. Kanye could have bought a house a couple blocks away and he would have been able to have the same access to the kids. But right across the street, the Kardashians feel, is just a little bit too strange, the source added. As fans know, for the past several months, Kanye was publicly pleading with Kim for the two of them to work it out. But the final straw came at the Larry Hoover benefit concert on December 10 when Kanye changed lyrics to a song and said, "Run back to me, Kimberly. Baby, I need you to run right back to me," more specifically, Kimberly. Needless to say, Kim felt embarrassed, especially since she made it clear to him that their marriage was over. And, as Kanye knows now too, Kim has been dating SNL star Pete Davidson, 28, for almost 2 months and the pair are getting serious. Related gallery. Celebrities at Kanye West and Drake's free Larry Hoover concert, Kim Kardashian and more. A separate source told Hollywood Life exclusively that Kanye isn't bothered by what other people think of his decision to purchase the home. Kanye understands why some people think he purchased the home across the street from Kim in a bid to get her back. He's obviously made that very clear, speaking and singing about it. But this purchase truthfully has nothing to do with Kim. As everyone knows, Kanye is very close with his children, and he couldn't imagine not being as close to them as possible. Plus, it's not like Kanye and Kim will be staring out their windows at each other. Each property is on a huge estate, so they still absolutely have their own lives and privacy. Kanye simply felt this was the best move for his children, the source said.